with us today. So I am Mary Ros Castañares and I am a teacher from the Philippines, and I am deeply honored to stand here as part of the Fulbright Distinguished Awards in Teaching program together with my fellow cohort members. Over the past months, we have been learning not only from your schools, but from your incredible sense of community. From the very first day, Indiana has felt like home. Every smile, every warm greeting, and every classroom we entered reminded us that we belong here. Your kindness and generosity made us feel that we are not just visitors, but colleagues, collaborators, and friends. Our journey here has reminded us that education is a universal mission, a calling that knows no boundaries. Whether in a first world country or in a developing nation, the heart of teaching remains the same. It is about giving our best for every child. Working alongside teachers in this district has shown us how dedication, creativity, and compassion come together in the classroom. Each of us in the Fulbright cohort carries stories of educators who welcomed us, guided us, and showed us what it truly means to put students first. As we say in the Philippines, ang hindi marunong lumingon sa pinanggalingan ay hindi makararating sa paroroon. Those who do not look back at where they came from will never reach their destination. This reminds us that teaching is not only about the present moment in the classroom, but also about nurturing students for the future, giving them roots and wings to grow. And thanks to your warmth and openness, we too feel rooted here. We feel that we belong. And that sense of belonging has made our learning experience even more meaningful. The Indiana Area School District, through its wonderful schools, Eisenhower School, Indiana Junior High School, and Indiana Senior High School, is home to remarkable leaders, passionate teachers, and bright, curious students. You have opened your classrooms and your hearts to us. You have shared your knowledge, your expertise, your passion for education. Through you, we have seen that teachers around the world are united by one purpose, and that is to make a lasting impact and difference in the lives of children. Please know that your efforts are seen, felt, and deeply appreciated. We see your dedication, your generosity, and your unwavering love for learning. You have reminded us that education is not just a profession. It is a force that brings hope, builds bridges, and makes the world a better place. On behalf of the Fulbright Distinguished Awards in Teaching Fellows, thank you, Indiana Area School District. I think they deserve a round of applause. For welcoming us, inspiring us, and reminding us that no matter where we come from, we can always find a place where we truly belong. Thank you because you have shown us the true meaning of our calling, teaching minds, touching hearts, and transforming lives. Once again, thank you so much.